good to plant saplings and trees.
Yeah, right. And because we all know it, we all are suffering from global warming and
Hmm.
air pollution. So I think everyone should plant.
Yeah, of course, everyone should take initiative for doing such things which can help
Yeah,
to make our cities or country green again.
right. And I
Okay.
think and I think government should also take initiative, and they should create awareness among people. Like if you will plant some trees, so government will uh, government will help you, or government will support you. Like such kind of thing should be happen in a country. If you want more trees, yeah,
Absolutely. Great,
yeah.
wonderful idea. But I think
Mhm.
government is not concerned about thinking, going out of the box and think to, start, doing such kind of things, aware people to start or, initiate this kind of things. But here in Telangana, okay, let me give you my introduction. My
Yes,
name is
sir.
Imtiaz and I am
Mhm.
from Hyderabad.
Okay.
Basically, I'm an accountant currently working for a startup company, services-based company, as a senior
Okay.
accountant. And apart
Mhm.
from that, you know, uh, I have become associated with this English Ari platform since 2 months. So
Okay.
I just love to interact with strangers, and I love to share my experience of learning this language. I'm trying to help people to make their journey of this language easy and understandable, because I have come across many people, even I have gone through that phase where I used to so confused where I
Mhm.
should start and how I should start this journey. After struggling a lot, after experimenting by my own, I thought, okay, so somewhere you have to initiate, somewhere you have to start, because every single step make you closer to your goal.
Right. Yeah, absolutely right. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
So when did you start your journey for English speaking?
I guess
It's been
it's
a long
been,
time.
yeah, of course, more than 5 years, I guess.
Okay, more than 5 years.
Yes.
Mhm. So, how this idea came into your mind, like you should teach on English RE and you should help people, like how this idea come in your mind?
Well, actually, I did not thought of becoming, a part of this platform,
Hmm.
because the founder of this, platform approached me and asked me if I am willing to become a part of this platform. So, without thinking, for a second, I said yes. I would love to become a part of this, platform, because this way I can help and I can learn something from someone, because you never know when you learn something from even a
Hmm.
basic, even someone who is just starting can give you, can teach you something,
Yes,
right?
right. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. That's very nice. That's very nice. Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Okay.
And how was your journey so far, like on this platform? Have you
Uh,
taken subscription, or you just taking your first session with me, or you have already taken session with other tutors?
uh, yeah. Actually, I have taken subscription of English RE. So I think this is my fourth session on English RE. And I have taught
Okay.
three tutors on English RE. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah,
So how was your experience so far? Were they all come up to your expectations, or you were expecting more from this platform?
yeah. I think yeah, all tutors are good. I would say all tutors are good, and all are very helpful. I would say, and whenever you talk with them, so all the time they will feel you comfort. Yeah,
They
they
make you
makes you
feel
feel comfort.
comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable. Yeah,
Comfortable.
more. Yeah, yeah. The main thing is that you have to speak.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you
And
have to
I
set a goal.
yeah, right.
If you
Yeah.
want to speak fluently, then you have to speak. You
Yeah.
have
And
to
we,
speak. You have to put yourself in that situation where you have to speak in English only. Then only you will see, results. Then you will see progress day by day.
right, right. Yeah. And every day, I think we should speak if we want to be fluent in this language.
If you want to if you want to
Yeah.
become fluent in this language, absolutely.
Yeah. 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 Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so how would you like to proceed now? Would you like to talk on any random topic, or you would like to speak on the topic which is shared by Vikas, technology? I guess
Yeah.
he
There's
has
a
already.
topic. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
would
So
you
I
like to
can
share
talk
your perspective?
about
What do you
technology.
think? Yeah.
Yeah, I think nowadays without technology, we can't imagine we can't imagine our world, I think, because technology is everywhere and you can't ignore it. Just because of technology, I'm talking to you right now.
Absolutely. Good
Yeah.
example.
So technology is everywhere, and I think in this pandemic situation, we all people have known the benefits of technology because students are getting online education just because of technology,
Mhm.
and many people are working from home just because of technology. So yeah, nowadays I would say technology is everywhere,
Mhm.
and with the help of technology we can connect all around the world, and we need not to go anywhere if you want to learn something and if you want to achieve something. So if I would talk about 8 to 10 years back, so that time if you want to become something, so that time you have to go. Suppose you want to become an suppose you want to learn something, suppose you want to learn a language, suppose you want to learn
Mhm.
something about technology, so that time you have to go somewhere. But I think
Mhm.
right now, just because of technology, we have everything in our hand. The main thing is that,
Absolutely.
yeah, like if you have mobile,
Everything is everything is
right,
available on your fingertips. You just have to take out your mobile. You can tour entire world. You just have to type in. Okay.
right, yeah. Whatever you want to watch, whatever you want to see, you have to just type.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, so this is the very good thing about technology. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What else?
What else? What else? I think like every coins has pros and cons. So uh, so if you are using technology in the right way, so definitely you will get something from technology, and it is up to you. Actually, everything in life, not about technology. I think everything in life depends person to person. Everything, like whatever you are doing, it depends person to person. Whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to achieve, so it depends person to person. So yeah, every coin has pros and cons. So according to me, technology is good if you are using this technology in a right way to enhance your skill, to enhance your career, like everything. Yeah. So this is my
Great.
perspective about technology. Yeah.
Great. I really appreciate whatever points or your thoughts shared. Absolutely great. It was on point.
Hmm. Yeah.
Great.
Thanks. Hmm.
Yeah.
So
You know,
what is your perspective about technology? Like, what do you think about technology?
yeah. My perspective is kind of similar to you because even
Hmm.
I believe, technology is, neither good or bad. It totally depends on you, how you
Hmm.
use technology. If you use it for, good purpose, you can say technology is good. If you use
Yeah.
it for bad purpose, for example, uh, many times